Hello everyone. So today we just made Ford Ecosport 2014. We just replaced its key case, remote case. It's working. Let's see for ignition. Yeah, it's working. It's working. And this is the second key. The customer demanded for it. He wants the key remote key spare one with a different look, so we just made it exhaust flip key. And this is also done with it. Yes, the car has been started. The remote is also working. Yeah, so this two case we made today. Thank you everyone for watching. Please contact Khaki Maker Pune if you have any khaki requirement. Thank you.